The popular chicken wing restaurant Hooters is shutting down operations at dozens of restaurants nationwide, including here in Florida.
As of tonight, only one Hooters is left in the area. Location is in Boca Raton. They're still in business, but the Hooters on Palm Beach Lakes Boulevard in West Palm Beach is permanently closed.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing Hooter Wings. Why? Because they're closing down. All across the U.S. they're closing the Hooters. It's crazy. Even here in Vegas they closed a couple. So, if you like that style wing, I'm going to show you how to do it at home. Better than Hooters. The sauce, the wings, everything. And I got a taste tester. My super picky brother. So if he likes them, you know we hit a home run. So stick around. We're doing it next. All right, let's get started on these wings. So I bought a package of wings at the grocery store. First thing I'm going to do is get my cleaver out, cut the tips off, and then separate the drumstick from the flat. Just find the bone there, and it splits right easy. Toss them into a bowl. Now we got to work on our Hooters coating. About 2 cups of all-purpose flour. There we go. Now we're going to add some garlic, granulated garlic, about a tablespoon or so. About the same amount of granulated onion. Some cayenne pepper. And some salt and pepper. And we're going to mix this up real good. And once we have that all mixed, we're going to pour that right on top of our bowl with the wings that we have in there. Just like that. And we'll get in there with our hands and make sure every wing is coated nice. And then we're going to toss this in the refrigerator for at least 90 minutes. You want that coating to stick to those wings. Now, let's work on the sauce. What I got is my large saucepan out. And I've got it on low heat. I'm going to add about 2 cups of Frank's Red Hot sauce. And then 3/4 stick of butter. And then once that butter melts, what we're going to add is 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 1 tablespoon granulated garlic, 1 tablespoon granulated onion, 2 teaspoons cayenne pepper. And we'll get that mixed up real good. And once everything is dissolved and mixed, we'll take it off the heat and we'll set it to the side. Now, to have a perfect Hooters meal, you got to have the sides, or the garnish, I guess they call it, or the relish, which is basically chopped up carrots and some chopped up celery. And while I'm chopping those up, if I could please remind you to subscribe, like, and share. Tell your friends and family all about us. Help the channel grow. I really appreciate y'all. And I hope you're enjoying the videos. I enjoy making them. So we got all those chopped up. We'll set those aside until it's time to plate. Now I've got my Dutch oven up to 350 with some canola oil in there. And as a quick side, I picked up a little bag of frozen Nathan's onion rings. So I'm going to toss those in there first and fry those up and set aside. And then we'll add our chicken wings. So once I get the wings in there, I'm going to let those cook for 14 minutes at 350 degrees. I like my wings a little crispy, so if you don't like them that crispy, do a little bit of less time. But look at those. Those are perfect. They look just like Hooters. So we'll set those on some paper towel to drain. And then we're going to toss them into another bowl. And then we'll add some of our sauce that we made earlier right on top. Now it's time to give them a nice toss. There we go. Just like that. Make sure every wing gets coated in the sauce. And then it's time to plate up. And now, the moment of truth. I'm going to turn the plate over to my brother and let's see what he says.
Better than Hooters.